Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel where I share delicious recipes every single week. So please subscribe if you have not already, and you will also want to hit the little notification bell, then you will know as soon as I upload a new video. So today I'm doing two of my very favorite things. I am using my slow cooker and I am making soup. There is nothing better on these cold winter days than a nice bowl of soup. And this is easy, easy, easy. It is for a delicious creamy chicken and rice soup. So comforting. All you do is dump everything into the slow cooker, turn it on high, and let it go. So I'm excited to show you just how to make it. So this soup could not be any easier, and here is everything that you will need. I am using 4 boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and that's just because they were on sale, but you can use boneless, skinless chicken breast if you prefer. And then I'm going to add some brown rice that I have rinsed. I'm going to add some chopped onion. I'm going to add some chopped celery. Going to add some chopped carrots. I'm going to mince 1 garlic clove. I'm going to add 2 bay leaves, a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of pepper, and a half a teaspoon of poultry seasoning. And then I'm going to add 1 container of chicken broth. And then I'm just going to cover this, put this on high for about 6 hours. Okay, so this soup has been cooking now for about 4 hours. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove this chicken, and then I'm just going to shred it using 2 forks. Okay, so now all I'm going to do is place this chicken back into my slow cooker. And now I have 2 cups of milk. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And then I'm just going to mix this cornstarch in this milk until it's nice and dissolved. And then I'm going to pour this milk into the slow cooker with the chicken, rice, stirring it all around. And then I'm going to add 4 ounces of a cream cheese, and you can use a reduced fat cream cheese if you want to cut the calories. And I'm just going to let this sit in here until it melts, and then I'll come back and stir it until everything is nice and thick and creamy. I'm just stirring until all this cheese is melted. But oh my goodness, it looks and smells so good. Okay, this chicken and rice soup is all done, and it is so delicious. It is so creamy, so comforting. I cannot wait for you all to try it. There is nothing better than a nice warm bowl of soup.
That is delicious. I really hope that you give this a try. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon with more recipes.